Hello, everyone. Hope you are doing well. So there is a passage, and on the basis of the passage, we have a set of questions. We need to go for the each of the questions answer from the option given below. Right? We need to carefully observe that uh, because sometimes what happened, the options are very close, or maybe those options are relevant to the text, yet you would find out there is a kind of a different meaning to the answer, right? So therefore we need to carefully observe each of the question and their options. Okay, so let's go for the text question here. Let's see that what this question is asked. Well, if I look into this particular text, I hope you have read this and you have understood it. Uh, Yet, if I talk about this text is all about understanding is love's other's name, uh, love's other name, and it also talks about when we learn to love and understand ourselves and have true compassion for ourselves, then we can truly love and understand another person, right? So that is what given in the text. Let's look into the question. What does the question point out here? The question points out here which of the following weakens, right? Which of the following weakens the sentence? What is the sentence? Understanding someone's suffering is the best gift you can give another person. Understanding is love's other name from the passage. So now you can find out that it is what we learn in the last line of the passage. Um, what does it say? Often we get crushes on others not because we truly love and understand them, but to distract ourselves from our suffering. When we learn to love and understand ourselves and have true compassion for ourselves, then we can truly love and understand another person, right? So that is what you would find out in the last line of the passage. Let's look into the each option and analyze them carefully. The first option points out love is learned by focusing on your good traits and completely ignoring anything you do not like about yourself, isn't it? That is what first option point out, and seeming like what this could be the answer. Yet we observed uh, all the other options. Option two said, in a relationship, if you can see the nature of interbeing between you and the other person, you can see that his suffering is your own suffering and your happiness is his own happiness, right? That is what given in the second option. So if I look into the second option, it supports the view expressed in the sentence. Yet look into the option three. Our priority is to identify option which weakens, right? Option three stated in order to truly see something, we must shed our own bias and acknowledge the shifting nature of truth. So this option, uh, deviating from the context of understanding, it's deviating, going out of the text. Deviate from what? Deviate from the context. Context. Context of what? Context of understanding love. Context of understanding, understanding love, love. Right. So three cannot be the answer. So therefore, we can eliminate this option. Now look into the option four. Option four said acknowledging the fleeting nature of ourselves and all things can foster a deep grounding in the present moment and value our place in the bigger picture. Now, four two also means indicating accepting the passing nature of ourselves and all things can foster, nurture a deep ground in the present moment and value our places in the bigger picture. Now, again, it deviates from the context of understanding love. So three and four both are debating from the context. So whereas option one, which is indicating here love is learned by focusing on your good traits, good qualities, and completely ignoring anything you do not like about yourself. So that is why you're blaming to love, right? And that's why this can weaken to the argument. Whereas option two, which is supports the view, then this cannot weaken. It strengthens the idea. strengthens the idea. So therefore, option 2 is also eliminated. Option 1, hence the correct answer to the question. Hope you understood it. That's all.